In this video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this smoky Cor De Rosa eye makeup look using the new Sigma Beauty Cor De Rosa eyeshadow palette. Hey, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Padee and I'm so happy you're here. Please subscribe, click that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. I'm starting off this tutorial by applying my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer to my eyelids using the Real Techniques blending brush. This is going to help my eyeshadow stay on all day and enhance the colors of the eyeshadows. To complete this look, I'm going to be using 3 out of the 4 brushes in the Sigma Beauty Roxstar Favorites brush set. With the E40 Tapered blending brush, I'm going to apply the iconic shade Cor De Rosa into my crease and all over the lid area. This is a beautiful earthy matte rose shade. I'll be using windshield wiper motions to blend this in just like so. Make sure not to take the shade up too high and really take your time to blend to avoid harsh lines. With the same brush, I'm going to apply this russet brown shade Medallion just under the shade Cor De Rosa, just like so. Now with the E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm going to apply this dark umber matte shade Barefoot, keeping it close to the lash line, and then blending it upwards slightly as I go. When applying a darker shade, I recommend applying a little product at a time and building the color rather than applying a lot and trying to blend it in. This is going to help avoid raccoon eyes, which is not a good look. Now I'm going to use my E40 Tapered blending brush to lightly blend out the eyeshadows together just like so. Now with my E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm going to apply the same shades Cor De Rosa, Medallion, and Barefoot to my lower lash line. Now with my Sigma Beauty E30 pencil brush, I'm going to apply this elegant beige shimmer shade Belle of the Ball to my inner corners of my eyes. And with toner and a cotton pad, I'm wiping away any fallout. Next, I'm going to apply the Sigma Beauty Wicked Gel Liner using the E06 Winged Liner brush. I love a matte black liner, so I'll be applying my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner to create a bold wing just like so. Now I'm going to apply my current favorite mascara, the Tarte Surfer Curl, to my upper and lower lashes. Next, I'm going to apply my Rimmel London Kohl Kajal liner in the shade Nude to my lower waterline to bring out my eyes and make them appear bigger and brighter. Finishing off my eyes by applying these Lilly lashes in the style Miami using my House of Lashes lash adhesive. To complete this look, I'm applying the Sigma Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Cor De Rosa. This color is absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and follow me on my other socials. Leave any video requests in the comment section below. I hope to see you in my next video, and as always, have a beautiful, Padeeful day. Bye!